It's Lynn from Lynn's Crafts Designs. I've got a kind of a simple one today. It's just going to be a pendant. We're going to stamp it with, this is a script stamp that years and years ago it came from Oriental Trading Company. Alright. This is Primo, rolled out on my thickest setting, and then I textured the backside with this Naga hide texture tile from Cool Tools. Alright, so just impressed it with the the script text. I'll spit it out in a minute. Alright, that looks pretty good. Then I'm just gonna cut it out. Let's do a little something. Something. As Claire would say. This again is one of the no-name micas, just because it was easy to grab. In a kind of a dark silver. Yeah, maybe a silver. We'll see. I got long nails on, all of them are longer. Just to fluff it up again a bit. Now I'm just doing it with my finger this time because I don't want the mica powder. Don't want much of it anyway. To get down in that script text. Okay. Alright. Now, this is just one of those that didn't form well cutters from Temu. Okay. Then I'm just going to grab my X-Acto knife because I know it didn't cut all the way through. Okay. Now then. Now before I just cut this willy-nilly, I'm going to cut off some of these jagged edges. Now, let me see. Okay. Now, I'm just going to cut it out again. Just get my X-Acto and clean up around the edges a little bit. Yeah. Okay, these are the Mega Flakes, color Gin and Tonic by Indigo Blue. I have had these for a while. It's basically just silver leaf. Okay, but this does have some other color in it. It's got a bit of green. That it's not gonna let me grab. Okay. Change before we bake it. These are the Jacquard alcohol inks, and this one is the pink. This one is the teal. And let's maybe pick another color. This is the Sunbright Yellow. Basically, it's the ones I could reach. Being 5 foot tall is not something you would wish on anybody. My whole life, I've had to ask for help reaching stuff. That's why I married somebody that's 6'3". Okay? Okay. After looking at this for a couple of days and not baking it, I decided we could do a little bit more. A little bit of liquid clay right along the edges. And I've got this silver, not a chunky size and not a fine size. I believe it's what Summer calls a dad bod size. If you don't watch Summer, she's a tumbler. She's actually a glitter company owner, and she does tumblers and other craft projects. I know lots of resin artists especially watch her. I started watching her because, well, I started watching her when she still lived in California, but she was moving to Texas. And now I believe after one summer she's moving back. If you know, you know. Okay. I'm not sure why I put the lid back on that and closed it up, but because we're going to dump it. Oh yeah, that is pretty. It was on the verge of a going in maybe someday box. But now I think I really like it. Of course, you know, I'm a sparkly girl. No, not physically. But I love sparkle. Alright, now the jump ring, I'm going to put that on afterwards and then bake it again, okay? Because it's not, there's not 2 layers to put the jump ring between the layers, or to even cut a layer. It's not quite thick enough. Oh, that is sweet. Alright. I'm going to bake this. It doesn't need but like 30 minutes. And I'll be back. 275. Okay, while this isn't my normal style of a piece of jewelry, I do think it turned out really pretty. Now the script stamp in the background, you can't see it very much, but it did add a little texture, and that glitter just made it pop. Now I didn't seal this at all. A little bit of the Rust-Oleum sealer would be great. You could put UV resin, but that will change the way it looks. Alright. Okay, I went ahead and put a clear coat of the Rust-Oleum water-based gloss sealer, just to show you what it looked like. Okay, it's not quite dry yet. Alright, I want to thank y'all so much for watching. I really do appreciate y'all very, very much. Please like, share, and subscribe. Like everybody's video you watch, including this one. Bye for now.